down.
Eric, getting shot.
Right,
Take
Amy.
one. Go, Eric.
Take what?
Take one.
Hold on, guys. I have to get set up so she can everything. Amy,
Is it
don't
on
shoot
safety?
till Adam gives you one.
It's on safety?
No. So keep pointed up.
I shot up, retard.
Come down and hit him randomly.
Alright.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
Go. I don't even have my mask on.
That's the covering.
I did the same dang thing.
Wait, last time I did this, I broke a camera. Oh well.
How'd you break the camera?
Sitting on a tripod staring at him, and all of a sudden a big wind gust goes along and blows it over. $300 camera.
Ready?
I love that camera too.
Ready?
Aim for the body, Amy, come on!
Are you done?
Eric!
Wait.
Wait!
My turn.
Wait!
No, it's me! Stop! Stop doing that!
Go!
I'll put him in the...
Well, no, don't waste my whole hopper. Alright, Aaron now.
I don't know!
Shoot! Go!
Ah! Okay!
Alright.
No, I'm not! Wait!
Oh, it's not on. Alright, no more.
Yeah.
Alright, Aaron, no more. Alright. Safety's on, it's not cocked. Here. Let me get a good camera shot. Alright.
No breathing.
I was wearing my vest though, so only arm one's hurt. What are you doing?
No,
It's not cocked. Safety's on, it's not cocked.
Aaron, your turn.
Alright, no more.
Aaron, your turn.
No.
Aaron, we're going to spelling again.
We're playing one more game.
Slow down.
Stop.
Slow down.
He's like, slow down.